The Pacific Floor Care 28 and 32-inch cleaning path mid-sized auto scrubbers are premium quality cleaning machines with innovative technologies to offer best-in-class cleaning experiences. With a max runtime of 5 hours per charge, there will be no more holdups in taking on those big jobs. The Pacific S-Series auto scrubbers are available as either an orbital scrub head or dual disc pads or brushes. The Pacific Orbital equipped machine is a multi-purpose machine, robust and reliable for both daily cleaning and special chemical-free finish removal projects. Save over 75% in labor and even more in chemical spend by utilizing the orbital technologies from Pacific Floor Care. The disc-equipped auto scrubbers present simple installation with a removal pad-on, pad-off switch located at the operator's panel. No more getting on your knees to remove pads or brushes. With the foot-operated pedal, users have the option of 70, 110, or 150 pounds of downforce pressure, one of the highest in the industry. Both heads are tucked well under the body for the tightest turning radius possible and are low profile enough to sneak right under kick plates or other obstructions. The orbital head also features a high-strength impact housing for any obstacles you may encounter. And if you should have any issues, we offer a 5,000-hour, 5-year warranty on all isolators. Protect and lower your operating budget through Pacific's patented BatteryShield battery monitoring system. It's the only one of its kind and not only alerts you when the battery needs water, but also makes it quick, simple, and safe to fill. This will save you up to 3 sets of batteries over the life of the machine. Also, clean on your own schedule with the quiet 63 CBA noise levels of Pacific Auto Scrubbers. With class-leading technology and easy-to-use functionality, the S-28 32 Auto Scrubber just might be the best choice for you. Take your cleaning to the next level